Hey guys, it's Khadijah, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. It's like an everyday kind of one, so let's get into the video. Alright you guys, so here I'm putting on my foundation. I usually like to start with it first, so I just put it on my hand just a little bit. A little dot. And then I put it on my cheek, my chin, my nose, and my forehead. Then I just take my beauty blender and blend it all in. And I like to make sure it's all blended. Alright, so next I'm going to put on my lip gloss. Not a lot, just a little bit on my lips. Alright, so next I'm using my eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using the brownish one. Now I'm going to just take it and put it on my eyelid and make sure it's all over. Alright, so next I'm going to take the whitest color and I'm going to put it in the crease of my eye. Alright, so next I'm going to be putting some concealer under my eye. Not a lot, just a little bit, like a line of it, so. Then I blend it in with my beauty blender, make sure it's all blended in. I like to get in the creases of my eyes just to make sure that if it got there, you just blend it all in. Alright, so next what I'm going to put on is I'm going to take my blush and I'm going to put it on my cheeks. I don't like to put a lot of blush, so I'm just going to put like a dab and just blend it in. I don't like to put a lot because it makes me look red, so. Just blend it all in. Alright, so next I'm going to use my mascara and just put it on my eyelashes. Not a lot. Only put it on my top lash, not my bottom one. Next I'm going to take my baking powder. And I'm going to just put it everywhere that I put makeup on. My cheeks, my chin, my nose, and my forehead. Next I'm going to wait for a little bit. I don't like to wait for a long time. Then I don't really blend it in. I just like put it off my face. Alright you guys, so I hope you liked the video. I hope you like my makeup. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so you know when I post a video. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!